guys, this is Samantha. Thank you so much for stopping back and visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to be making a shaped shaker without using any foam tape. Sometimes I like to make shakers with just paper because you get really this, you can see that, like a really flawless, almost not quite seamless, but almost seamless look. What I did was I cut this heart shaped frame out like 12 times. This is 65 pound, I think cover weight paper. And I have just been stacking and gluing and stacking and gluing and stacking and gluing, and I'm almost done. So I just thought I would show you how I'm doing it. I'm just putting my glue on like this. And layering it up. Okay. Then I have a base piece cut out. I put out just a pink heart that was on the inside of this frame on the back, and I'm going to glue this shaker piece to there. I'm just going to take my glue and apply a generous amount. If any does seep through, this will dry clear. Don't have to worry about that. And put it on the base. Okay. I'm gonna try to get in there and just remove some of that excess glue because I don't want my shaker guts sticking to it, or I could just let it dry a bit. Even though it will dry clear. So yeah, so there is that. We're gonna let that dry for just a minute. I'll show you another one that I made. This was following the same sort of thing, but this one I used 110 pound cover weight cardstock, and I only layered it up 10 times. But you can see like the difference between 10 times with 110 pound cardstock versus 12 or 13-ish times with the 65 pound. I mean, it's not like a huge difference, but got like all the glitter and the sequins, and it's pink and teal and gold, and then on the back I put this sort of teal gingham paper. And then another thing I did for the inside of this was I have this punch, that punches out tiny, tiny hearts. So I punched out, I don't know if you can see them. I'll show you them in a minute. I punched out a whole bunch in teal, and we're going to fill the inside with those. I'm actually going to let this dry for a few minutes, and then I'll be right back. For the most part, that glue is pretty dry. We're just going to go ahead. So in here, I have got some teal hearts punched out, and I think that might be a little bit too many. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna pour take just a pinch or so out of there. I'll use them for something else. But a little bit too much. Okay. Then I'm going to add some of these teensy tiny little, tiny? Is that even? Pretty sure that's not a word. Teeny tiny little bits of glitter. If I can get them out, I'll just pour some of that in there. Okay. Then I'm going to add some of this really pretty gold. This is technically like a confetti, but it's pretty. And then lastly, I'm going to add some of these itsy bitsy little, I don't even know what these really are. They're like little, they're not really beads because they don't have holes in them. They're just, I don't know, glitter sprinkles. They're sprinkles, so we'll add some sprinkles. Things fall a lot in my craft room. All right, so then we're gonna have the frame go over top just like that. I have already got my acetate on the frame. Typically I would use double-sided tape on here, but I cannot find my 1/8 inch. So I put this on with a tape runner, and I'm just kind of feeling like that's not the sturdiest, so I may really regret this. We will see. I am going to put some super glue on. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is like a kind where you have to push. I don't know if it's even, yeah, it's coming out. But you have to work quickly because this stuff dries super fast. I could use my hot glue gun, but shoot, it's already drying. It's like a race against time. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Fast, 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 fast. I could use my hot glue gun, but it is not, it doesn't have like a, oh shoot, precision tip. So it would just be messy. Oh my goodness. I may regret this. I hope I don't. I hope I don't. Okay. Oh, we're going to try this. We're going to put it on. Oh my goodness. I hope it is not all the way dry yet. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Cross your fingers. Did it work? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm a little bit scared to shake it. Hopefully it's stuck. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It's stuck. Did it? Wait. It's stuck. Okay. So the reason I didn't use my regular glue for the acetate is because I have not had good luck at all using my glue with acetate. But now I have this super cute little shaped shaker, and it's, you know, perfect to be further embellished. I'm not really sure, oopsies, what more I should do to this. I have really been gravitating more towards like the clean and simple look, but we'll see. I don't know. I might just gift it like this if I decide to gift it, because it may or may not be going to someone. It's a surprise. But if I do gift it, I may just leave it plain so that the recipient can, like, you know, embellish it to her tastes or his tastes. Trying to be like really ambiguous. Anyway, that is my thing. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. One more time, it's super pretty. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you again later. Bye.